I'm Brenna Gilbert. I'm an entrepreneur. I'm the founder and CEO of Fest and Champers Social Club. Welcome to my home. This is a one-bedroom in the heart of Nolita, which is a notoriously busy area. So when people come in, I wanted them to be able to decompress right away. There's not much green outside my window, so we brought it in here. We also wanted to make sure the space was full of things we love, like this handmade bell by McQuan, which is a Brooklyn-based designer. The space is also very narrow, so we added the mirror to make sure that it felt bigger than it actually is. This is our main living area. We have a living room, we have a dining space, and we have the kitchen. I share this space with my husband Andrew and our bulldog Kuma. I find a lot of these new contemporary buildings to be a little cold. This one is very beautiful. It was built by Lenny Kravitz's design firm, but I wanted to contrast that with some found pieces, some things with more organic materials. As an example, this table is an old work table that we found in Pennsylvania. We thought the contrast between the worn, lived-in wood was really strong against the stone backsplash. Bringing all of these pieces together, hand-picked from all of the different places we've lived, is really synonymous with my style. The tulip table's a great example of my interest in contrast and design. We have a classic mid-century tulip table mixed with a French modern upholstered bench. What's easy about it is I can flip the bench around when I need it for extra seating in my living area. I've added additional Danish modern chairs. I love the caning detail, and it's a motif that I've used again and again in the space. Another piece of my design aesthetic is how we incorporate art. They're really reflective of what it means to be in the restaurant industry. I love them. I designed this space for two purposes: to fit as many people as possible here and to relax and recover. So the first thing we started with was the couch. Clearly, we don't care about having a dog on our white sofa. I knew that in order to make this very small space feel bigger, we needed to have one large area rug to make the space feel cohesive. We wanted to make a slightly beachy retreat here in Nolita, so we added a pop of teal and then warmed it up with ochre tones, some of the tawny tones that we had in a lot of the rich woods. As much as the dog loves cuddling on the couch, he also loves cuddling in the bedroom. Come on. The bedroom is really our sanctuary. It's a very small space, so we try to keep it edited to the things that we truly love, including this guy. In keeping in continuity with the great room, we have kept the same color story, but in contrast, we've painted this space, this soft sand color, and it's really made it a much more cave-like space, perfect for retreating from the world. I'm really interested in layering in a bedroom. I really believe in this idea that a bed should be something that feels like you can sleep between any of the layers. So we have a duvet, we have a quilt, we have blankets, but I like to be able to pick my layer based on how I'm feeling on any given day. This bedroom is a perfect retreat for me, a perfect place to relax and unwind. Thank you for joining me in my home. We've designed this as a place to relax and entertain. Thank you for coming. Cheers.
If you can't get enough of these fabulous homes and designs, then you gotta like and subscribe, because we could all use a little more fabulous in our lives, right?